The Morning Business Report on Eyewitness News is brought to you by Access Health CT Small Business, connecting small businesses to affordable group health insurance.
All right, we are introducing a brand new segment called the Morning Business Report, and it'll provide everything you need to know about how local companies are doing amid this pandemic. Some of the headlines this morning: Sikorsky is building more heavy-duty helicopters, and Hartford Financial says COVID has hurt its bottom line. Channel 3's Jane King is live now in New York, and she has those stories for us. Good morning, Jane.
Good morning to you, Nicole. Great to be with you this morning. And as you mentioned, Hartford Financial reported overall COVID-19 losses for the quarter of $72 million. Now, this loss is stemmed mainly from workers' compensation in Connecticut and New Jersey. Now, the insurer was also hit by all the hurricanes that we've seen this year and the derecho winds that hit the Midwest in August. Well, Sikorsky will build 6 additional production CH-53K King Stallion helicopters. This is under a new contract with the government. This aircraft will further support the U.S. Marine Corps to conduct expeditionary heavy lift assault transport of armored vehicles, equipment, and personnel to support distributed operations deep inland and from sea-based centers of operations, and that work will be done locally. And Lowe's announced it will hire 20,000 people across its U.S. stores and distribution centers for the holiday season. So in addition to hiring to help for the holidays, it's also actively filling permanent full-time and part-time roles at stores and adding 2,500 team members at distribution centers nationwide. And Lowe's stores, by the way, will be closed on Thanksgiving Day this year. Now, stocks have been really interesting overnight. At the moment, we're looking more than 400 points higher. We've been down, though, overnight and steady for a while. We did have a down day on Friday. Tech shares led things lower. Wall Street had a really difficult week. Last week was our worst since March. We saw COVID cases rise, stimulus talks break down, and, of course, the election tomorrow and all the kind of positioning going on ahead of that. Live from New York, I'm Jane King. Back to you, Nicole.
All right, thanks, Jane, and welcome to the morning show here in Connecticut. All right, we'll be right back at 6:12. We have another check of weather and traffic right after this.